Step 1. Remove the 6 screws of the flange. Second step. Remove the bottom 2 screws. Remove the 2 screws here. Finally, take this off. Step 3. Remove the screws on the left and right sides. And take off these 2 screws. Step 4. Remove the vacuum gauge. Now this part above, you can take it off. Then take the following part. Remove the left and right screws. And take off the screws here, so you can take it off.